What's going on? It's Ed here from ClicksGeek, and today we're going to talk about running a Google Ads agency. So what do you need to start and run a Google Ads agency? So let's say you're just starting from scratch and maybe you're freelancing, or maybe you've got a 9-to-5 and you're looking to get out of that and start a consultancy slash agency slash being a freelancer. Whatever it is, this is kind of what you need to get rolling. So simple, you need a laptop or a computer. I prefer a laptop. You can get up and go with it. You do not need an office space. You don't need an expensive lease. This is easily a home-based business. So first and foremost, you need a laptop or a computer. You need a cell phone, or if you don't have a cell phone, you can use a Google Voice number. There are tons of free and paid phone services you can do online. So you can use that as opposed to a cell phone. I prefer a cell phone, but that's just me. Next thing you're going to need is, and now this is the way we do it. You don't necessarily need to do it this way, but we like to have landing page software, and we like to have some click fraud software, and we like to have call tracking software. However, none of those are actually necessary in order to run your business. You could run your business using the client's website and/or their landing page software. You could use Google call tracking or the client's call tracking. You could use a Google Sheet, a free Google Sheet, as opposed to a CRM, just to get started. So realistically, if you're looking at like bare bones get started, you need a computer and you need a phone. And the phone is to contact clients, to sell the service. Computer is to actually perform the work. So at a base level, that's really all you need. As you're getting going, you want to add in a Google Sheet to keep track of leads you're talking to and who you're selling and your client base. You can keep track of that. You also do need a bank account. I forgot about that. And a way to process payments. Something simple to start with would be PayPal. We've got a video on this channel on how to set up a PayPal recurring payment. Watch that. That's how we started. And one of our other businesses still uses PayPal. And I like PayPal. It's easy to work with. So that's it at a basic level. So computer, phone, a Google Sheet just to keep track of things, and then a way to process payments in a bank account. So that's really all you need. And then as you get going, you're going to want to add in something like a CRM, just so you can get, as you get more and more leads coming through, it makes your life a lot easier. Something cheap to use that's really effective, Pipedrive. We used to use that. We've now upgraded to a more comprehensive system, but by all means, you do not need that. You're going to want to, as you go, you're going to want to get something like QuickBooks or FreshBooks to manage your expenses, just make your life a lot easier. You're going to want to use something like Instapage or Unbounce for landing page software. You're going to CallRail for call. You're going to want to use something like ClickCease to protect against the click fraud. But that's really it. I mean, you don't need an intense amount of stuff in order to operate an agency. And then as you grow, you add on additional things like, what are some things we pay for? We pay for a payroll service. So a payroll service, we pay weekly to run payroll for us. They take out the taxes, they send them to the state and the Fed, and we pay them a fee to do that for us. It's just one thing to take off the plate. As your business grows, you can start paying for services to remove things that you should be doing. Just make your life easier. Payroll is a big piece of that. Trying to process payroll and portion out what taxes go where is a giant pain in the ass. Another thing you're going to need is an accountant at some point. What else? Looking through in my mental Rolodex of our expenses. Let's see. CallRail is a big expense for us. It's into the thousands per month for us. But keep in mind, that's a lot of clients. When you're starting out, it's not going to be anywhere near that. And we do incur the cost of CallRail because it's a vital piece to the puzzle. What else can I tell you? If we had to start over, it's literally a computer, it's a phone, it's a Google Sheet, and that's it really. And then the next thing you're going to want to get is call tracking. The next thing you're going to want to get is Instapage or Unbounce. Probably Unbounce to start because there's going to be a cheaper option for you. And then as you grow and you expand, start adding on additional expenses that take things off your plate. Don't just take on an expense to take on an expense because it's a cool bell or whistle to have. Make sure it actually makes your life easier and take something off your plate to free up more time to go sell more deals, okay? Or work on more client campaigns. That's it for today. Weird little video. I just wanted to just throw out there, someone hit me up asking me like what they needed to start the business, and it's a lot less than most people think. It's literally just a phone and a computer, and you could be off and running and selling this stuff in market and doing it. So that's it. Hope this helps. If you guys need anything, check out the links below and drop a comment. If I missed anything, drop a comment, let me know. This is Ed here from ClicksGeek. We're a Google Premier Partner Agency. We specialize in lead gen for local businesses. This is stuff we do day in and day out. So if you have any questions, drop them below. Take care.